Sanborn. Hi, Pilan Gumete. Hello. Niyaphila namhlanje. Ngiyaphila bhuti, uyaphila wena? Usunawo ama-shares, uthenge maphi ama-shares aka-equites Philani? Awuxoxe nje sizwe ukuthi imaphi ama-shares onawo ka-equites. Ngeke abantu abangekho serious abafika bezohlala la kule live. Iyaphela le live, siya kwenye platform manje. Abantu abaserious. Nazi ukuthi nali yini recession kambe ukuthothobala komnotho. Yeah, ngenze ukuthi yilo lelo gama uthothobala omnotho luyeza luzungezile. Yengihle. Hayi kanjani Philani? Hayi. Mashiya amahle unjani mashiya amahle? Ehlula kanjani equites bakithi into elula ngaka? Sichazwe ngisho nangesizulu engabe phela uyabuza ukuthi ke na uqala kanjani, wenzeni mangabe ikhona ngisho kwi-app yakho ya Capitec ukuthi ungazothi awazi ukuthi yenziwa kanjani. Nalo uthothobala lomnotho luza i-recession years. Ulinde ngani wena? Ayikhuphuki imali. Okushuthi phela imali mangayikhuphuki ukhethe inkampani wrong. Wajefe wazobhedela. Yey. Angomfazi wamuntu mina. Ngoba umfazi wakho wesibili. Ngofika lapho sengithi makabi lapho. Sengasafune kulanywa. Ngiyadlala. Philani imaphi ama-stocks owaholdayo lapho? Mawukuthi ayikhuphuki. Phela vela ngithi manje angithi uyabo ukuthi siphuma kwi-COVID. Ngeke vele ulindele ukuthi njoba siphuma kwi-COVID nje izinto seyihamba kahle enkampanini. Yabo? Izinto oqala ukuya ngama-sector manje. Buka i-retail sector manje kade kune-Black Friday. Mawunama-shares lapho ufanele ungabe uhlika wedwa ngoba noko inzuzo izothi ukuthi xaxa. Yilapho ke nawo benefita khona njenge-shareholder ukuthi okay mase sebedetermine ukuthi ama-dividends enzowathola abheke kanjani uzobe ebhekile ngoba imali bayigenerateile. Futhi kusazoba ukhisimuzi mangabe nje u-owner ama-shares aka-Distel isavana nje izophuza nje bhuqu abantu. Wena njenge-shareholder fanele ukuthi uhleke wedwa ngoba uyazi ukuthi wena unama-shares laphayana. Lula kabi lento. Angithi la sifundisana lokho ke manje ukuthi usuyazi ukuthi ukhona equites. Manje yazi ukuthi inkampani uyibheka kanjani. Iningi izinto esikhuluma ngazo la. Inkinga engiyaziyo mina ngomuntu ukuthi ngisho ngabe ungalithola ulwazi kakhulukazi njoba la sifundisana ulwazi nje wonke umuntu uyangena la. Ulwazi lumahala. Uyazi ukuthi into oyithole mahala ukuthi awuyivaluishi kanjani. Uyakwazi lokho? Into oyithola mahala awuyivaluishi awuyithathi serious ngoba uvela uthi hayi fana ngisho nalama projects aqalwayo endaweni zasemakhaya abantu abanikezwe $500,000 umuntu bakhelwe izindlu zezinkukhu banikezwe izinkukhu bathengele ukudla kwezinkukhu babiyelwe bathengelwe ngisho okhiye yonke into kodwa iyalasta leyo project mabili mathatha ama project alastayo ngobani into umuntu angazange azayiswethele noma mhlawumbe ayiphume ekhwepheni zakhe akwazi ukuthi kube khona into esuka kuyo ukuze ezothola leyo nto akasuke ezomsiza. Angithi ama-projects aqalwa ngenhloso zokuthi abantu basizakala, umuntu bakwazi ukuthi bebe ne-income. Injongo yayo yinhle, kodwa ngoba ngenxa yokuthi umuntu uyazi vele ngisho lezi nkukhu ungafa akanamsebenzi ngoba akakhiphanga senti, ngisho ngantshontshwa akanamsebenzi akakhiphanga senti, akazolahlekelwa yena siqu sakhe, kolahlekelwa lowo muntu okamnikeze leyo mali. Sinjalo-ke thina sabantu, fana nala kule life abantu la. Okay JB, abantu la, iningi labantu abala bahlezi bebekhona la, babili bathathu abantu abayithatha seriously information. Umuntu ahambe iyovula i-app, a-create i-account ka-Easy Equities. Sikhuluma kuzokomamathe, sizama ukuchaza, sichazele umuntu ukuthi yini u-Easy Equities, ungenza kanjani. Uyabona nje mabili ama-group. Eyokuqala i-group esayivula la, abantu abajoyina kuyo kule link ba over 300 abantu abakuleyo group. Kodwa uma uzobheka ukuthi abantu aba-serious mhlambe bangaphansi ngisho ka-100, futhi u-100 mkhulu ngoba lolo lwazi umuntu uyazi ukuthi uthola mahhala. Kulungile-ke, ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona abantu esabacathulisa, ngisho ukuthi umuntu engazi ukuthi i-account ivulwa kanjani simsize. Yabona nje nesingisi kuseyinto enzima kabo, sahlula ngisho nawo basic username no password. Mangabe bekutshela ukuthi mhlambe i-username leyo ikhetha ithathiwe, siselapho ngiya-understanda leyo level yokuhluleka, okungasho futhi nokuthi umuntu uyagive up kuyena. Kodwa baningi abafika la umuntu athi hayi mhlambe okwesibili noma okwesithathu ngena kule live, manje kwenziwa kanjani u-Easy Equities, like u-serious ngempela? Ngoba phela hlezi sokuchaza zonke izinsuku ukuthi u-Easy Equities uyakwazi ukuvulela wena ma uno-Capitec already. U-Easy Equities usunayo ku-Capitec kwakho, uyambona. Ma ungenayo udownload i-app ku-Play Store. Kodwa-ke ngoba sifuna ukukholwa ngokubona, somva kwezinye, kulungile nohlala iyeza i-recession, nobe ususho ukuthi hayibo, yazi kuyile ntombazane kube ngami ngalalela nje ngathenga noma amasheza ka-Shoprite, mhlambe ngabe manje sengina mhlambe namalini. Uyobe ususho kanjalo, usukhuluma indaba yokuthi ukube lapho ukuba akusasizi nje ngalutho. So anibe serious mangabe niba serious. Kodwa-ke phela vele akuncengwe umuntu lana, nje share information. Ofunayo uzoqhubeka, siqhubekene siye phambili. Ongafuni uzosala kanjalo, asinankinga. Anginikhombisi namhlanje portfolio yami. Ngilandelwa abantu abakhulu o-JB manje, nzima kakhulu. How to deposit mashiya amahle. Ikhona i-YouTube channel engihlezi ngisho ngayo zonke izinsuku, i-YouTube channel ebizwa ngolwazi ngesizulu. Kuleyo YouTube channel ngithatha ngikubeke ukuthi udeposita kanjani. Mangabe u-Standard Bank udeposita kanjani, mangabe u-Absa, mangabe u-FNB wenza kanjani. Into engiye ngichaza ukuthi leyo video ngayenza 2 years ago, ungakabi bikho, bengaka-partnerish u-Easy Equities no-Capitec, okusho ukuthi babengakabi nabo lobudlelwano ukuze bekwazi ukuthi kube lula ukuthenga ama-shares. So ileyo part kuphela engekho kuleyo video. Kodwa ngoba usulana-ke, ngoba uzokwazi ukuthi wena ma unawo u-Capitec sekulula. Le mali osukunayo ibalance yakho ya-Capitec, ma usuloga in lapha ngenwe ngithi uzongena kuleya widget, uyalogina kwi-app yakho ya-Capitec, uyayibona leya i-widget eka-Easy Equities. Ma ungayiboni uyahamba uyoyifuna ku-explore, uyayibona, ufaka ama-login details wakho, i-username, ufaka i-password, ungene phakathi bese uthi invest. Ma usuthenga ama-shares wakho, awuzulokhu udeposit imali uyifaka uyisusa ku-Capitec uyizisa ngala. Vele uyakwazi, bayakunikeza i-option yokukhetha ukuthi uthenga ngemali la ka-Easy Equities noma uno-Capitec. Okay, ma uno-Nedbank nakhona uyakwazi ukudeposit imali. Buka leya video ke ngishoyo kulwazi ngesizulu ku-YouTube, ikhona ukuthi how to deposit funds into your account. Chaza ngesizulu kodwa ithatha yona ngesingisi, kodwa uzokwazi ukuyifunda bese uyangena kuleyo video uyilalele. Ma ukuthi awuzwanga uphinde bese uyabuya kuzobuza. Uyilalelisisa, ngeke uze ungayenzi leya nto ngoba ngithatha step by step. Ayikho into engiyeqayo. Veza ngisho i-account number, ngenze ukuthi mhlambe sokwaba nama-updates. Ma usungena wena ku-Easy Equities, ulwazi ngesizulu, right? Ma usungena ku-Easy Equities bayakukhombisa futhi nakhona ngoba bazokutshela ukuthi okay wena uma ufuna uzothi mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthenga ama-shares bakutshela ukuthi i-account yakho kufanele uyifund, bakukhombise how to fund i-account yakho. Bayakutshela ukuthi nayi uma uwu-Nedbank nayi i-account ozodepositha kuyo, uma uwu-Standard Bank nayi i-account ozodepositha kuyo. Ngiyabonga Zini. Hi Shares, awukho late, nathi sisanda ukuqala manje, kade ngibhizi ngale kuMpesu-Pre ngichazela abantu ngempesu. So siqala manje ngo-9. Awukho late nje nakancane dadewethu. So-ke abantu bayangena-ke kune-group entsha esinayo. Le group yabantu yedlanzana. U-Foxtrot usinikeza umqondo wokuthi ake sibe yi-group iqoqwa naye abantu abaningi, futhi akuba abantu noko umuntu osewazi osenayo naye experience yoku-investa, ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi angithi phela so-discussa, sibheka ama-shares, sibheka u-Bidcorp, Bidvest, sizokhetha kodwa sikakakhethi kulelo qoqwana lawo ma-shares abawabone ngokuthi angenzeka ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi ngonyaka ozayo sibe sesiwenzile noma u-100% kulawo ma-shares nangaphezulu. So ileyo i-target yethu, i-short term goal yethu manje ukuthi sokhetha ama-shares ambalwa, sazoba-analyze kodwa kuzoba ama-meeting akhona azoba ngomgqibelo, mhlambe lelo awamabili si-analyze sibone ukuthi okay ama-ratio ami kanjani, bese siyavumelana, bese siyathenga. Umuntu uyazenzela, uyayithengela wena kufoni yakho, kwi-app yakho uyathenga i-app, kuwukuthi-ke sesobe sesibheka i-progress. Umuntu kuzoya ngamandla akho ukuthi wena u-afford ama-shares amangakanani, kodwa le nto sizoyenza kule group le yabantu aba-under 20. Isikhona i-group already. Ngiyayibona-ke le okujoyina kuyo kwibhayo. Mawuye khona la uyakhona, mawuyobuza imibuzo, usaqala usemusha, usafuna ukwazi ukuthi mhlambe unenkinga yokujoyina i-app, kukhona izinto ongakwazi uku-understanda, uyakwazi ukuthi ungene kuleyo group ubuze khona, bazokusiza. Sibaningi nje, siyafundisana nakhona, kodwa sesizodlula kulesi sigaba sokufundisana ngoba manje I'm sure i-group isizogcwala. Mayisigcwele i-group angeke zivulenye ukuthi kuphinde kuqalwe phansi, mhlambe ngaphinde kube yinto okay Shares ngizokufaka kuleyo group. Mangabe mhlambe seyigcwele i-group, siyazi ukuthi vele akekho umuntu ozobe emusha lapho, bayaphuma-ke kodwa nabantu ngobani lamadlozi kubo angafundile, angafuni ukuthi ashintshe isimo sakubo, ukuthi uyohlezi ubalekela ulwazi ne-information ezokusiza wena nesizukulwane sakini, awushintshi generally wena kini bashona bangakushiyela ngishifa, wena unolwazi nethuba lokuthi ushiyele iy'ngane zakho nomndeni wakho ifa elithize, uyalibalekela lolo lwazi. Uzoba yidlozi enjani elihlulekayo? Makukhona into ethi baleka phuma kule live, ofanele ukuthi uyivimbe leyo nto, ungayivumeli ngoba le nto i-creator, i-repeat i-cycle yezahluleke emndenini wakho. Mangabe ukuvumela ukuthi uphume ubalekele ulwazi, ujaha uye ku-live yabantu abathwekayo, oyikhuza mangabe ufikelwe kuloyo muzwa, ngoba wena idimoni elibi kusela ngolwazi elifuna nje ukuthi kube nje angazi yini ebethu.
Hayi sanibona.
Sanibona.
Hayi so angihleli.
Manje mase ngithetha kangaka. Okay. Calm down.
Asithi uthini? Ngisaphila
No,
njani?
I'm good.
You were saying? Sorry, I couldn't hear that.
No, Lutho, I'm just telling abantu ngalama group ukuthi le group le enye le ejoyina kwibhayo yabantu abastrugglishayo ngokujoyina izi-equities izogcwala very soon, ngeke size zivulenye, so that sizoprogressa phela singalokhu sesitejini esisodwa, yabo. Ngiyazi vele abantu bathatha ngendlela like ukucosha kwethu ulwazi afani, abanye abantu ba-slow, kodwa ekubeni slow abantu bamavila. Umuntu uyamtshela ukuthi hamba othenga i-financial mail. I-financial mail ayibhaliwe ijargon yesingisi, uyakwazi ukuthi uyifunde uyi-understand.
Yeah, they can even read some articles from the internet. But Yeah. Thing is, we've been repetitive on the live, and it's time for progress now. Okay. What did you want to discuss today?
I wanted to discuss ngale group le yesibili esiyenzile nokuthi sizomisa kanjani njengoba kuzoba i-weekend. Namhlanje uLesine, kusasa uLesihlanu, ngoMgqibelo senza kanjani? Itheni plan?
Cool. Okay. On Saturday, so I anticipate remember to mail some financial reports and presentations and some things. So I've read some of the documents, but on Saturday, so let's discuss all of us on Zoom. Yeah, but now we'll see the presentation. You have seen we have identified new companies with potential, but angeke siyakhuluma ukuthi maphi lawo company.
Okay.
When they list, that's why they have the potential of increasing in price rapidly, actually, unlike already traded shares, because typically when companies are new listed, they are undervalued. Yeah, man. They are undervalued, the market potential level. And then once the demand is there, the share prices will couple. So you've seen what.
Yeah, lezo lista nge-13 si-target yethu leyo.
Yeah, so khuluma ngayo on Saturday, but not here, because for better understanding, we have to read the financials, the presentations, and so on. And it's not the only one which will be listed. Maning lawas will listiwa. So newly listed companies in a year, in 2 years, especially during a recession or after a recession, they'll perform better as long as they don't suffocate. So, especially the one we chose, it has more potential ngoba it phuma kuyi-company enkulu, beyiphansi kuyi-company enkulu yabona. It was under a big company which is performing well. Leyo company, because I sent the share price of the holding company, but yeah. Mr. User or Mr. User, or you can speak. User. Well, they're not saying anything. That's fine.
Mhlawumbe unenkinga ngoba phela kamute-ile, mhlawumbe unenkinga ye-network.
Okay, cool. So no, that's fine. That's that. I see what you. Yeah. Your main group, then little interactions. What's happening? Again, into the main group, abantu abakhulumi on your group.
Yeah, kume leyo nto nami engiyibonayo ukuthi ngiyabathethisa abantu la ukuthi abamusa ukuvumela le nto yokuthi umuntu angafuni ukuthi aqhubeke. Angithi usungenile egruphini, yenza phela iba useful egruphini nawe, noma ufuna umuntu ozokusiza ukuthi akutakule kulesi simo kusona. Mhlambe umuntu ustrugglisha ngento, mhlambe nge-language, ilingo phela yoku-trade noku-investa ithanda ukuthi, yabo. Kodwa ayikho into etheni la esakhulunywayo.
You know, the sentiment I'm picking up is that a significant portion of people are seeking instant gratification, and that's dangerous. Yeah. And they went into easy equities, not understanding what the platform is about. They think it's one of those things where you recruit or work on something and get something. No. So, and they're not seeking knowledge. People will say, no, I'm bleeding on their portfolio. It's bleeding. They don't, because when you listen to why they bought the shares, no, anything is you're playing with money. You're playing with money. You have to understand what you're doing. This is not a casino. You have to. You won't bleed if you understand, and not many people are seeking things, to know what's happening. But as Pumela.
Yeah, nokunye engibonayo yazini Foxtrot ukuthi la yonke lento esiyenzayo ngithi mahhala. Ngiqeda ubatshela manje about ama-effects okwenza into, or if unikezwa into mahhala mancane amathuba ukuthi uyivaluishe leyo nto uyithola mahhala ngoba vele uyazi ukuthi awuyikhokhela ngalutho. Ngibenzela i-example ngama-projects aqalwa every year. Bantu banikezwe $500,000, 700,000, 1.1 million. Only to find ukuthi lowo muntu akanandaba whether lezo nkukhu ziyafa noma zidlile noma zidlile noma zintshontshiwe ngoba akakhiphanga mali. Uyayibona?
Yeah, that's
So
true.
yeah.
Yeah, no, that's true. And
Anyway,
unfortunately, part of killing us. And yeah, but that is why I thought we should separate the group, have a few people, and I intentionally made it good. We shouldn't exceed 20 on purpose, and it seems like we've done
yeah.
that. Because the more people we want to filter out, because it's no use that every day we're here, say 60, 8, it's only 2 people or 4 people talking. We should, or not even using the knowledge.
Mhm.
It's our time data. This hour
Yeah.
or 2 hours every day you're putting aside. There's no monetary gain there.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man, and we don't mind that. That's fine as long as we work together. At least let's share something, let's interact. So people think we wanna be celebs. I came to TikTok to watch people dancing. So that's one of the things I came here for. But eventually here I am. Yeah, man.
Swag. Umteko.
Dancing, yeah, you're taking, I don't know. Just seeing people dancing. So yeah. So look, I think on the WhatsApp group, for me, we'd continue on the group. Okay, and then those asking what to look at, what to buy. Okay, but if you are new to Easy Equities, let's put it this way. Easy Equities is a platform which allows you to access a portion of a company listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange or any other stock exchange. Yeah, but it's not this thing or triple M or what where, because I think that's the sentiment even on the inboxes I get. People are thinking about that with no, it's this triple M, it's what it's these platforms where this which just rock up. It's been there a long time. And when you buy on Easy Equities, you're buying companies which are regulated. You can go to the JSE and buy a company, a portion of a company. Yeah, but thanks, not network marketing thing. And whatever we say here is not financial advice, does not constitute as financial advice. Neither should it be considered as financial advice. So people, when you invest into Easy Equities, know what you're doing. Or at least try and learn them. What we are here for is to help learn. We must learn what is it about, how to analyze which companies to invest into. That one. You must know that how does this scandal of the president affect the share price? So it's ETC, etc. And those also some read in retail technology and is it what it was? It was retail tech and telecommunications. It's because of this Pala Section 89 finding. Yeah, so investor confidence is low because of the possible impeachment the president faces. It's a possible because it's being published all over the world. In South Africa by Kulumingayo, but if you watch BBC, Algebra, Barking, Al Jazeera, etc., they are talking about it. So investor confidence benefits. If your stock is good, it has long-term growth. Your investment has a potential of growth. Like I said,
example is Capitec. UCapitec nje if wawuthengile ngaleya mnyaka usafika nge-R1,000 ngabe uyimiliyoni manje ngaphaya ngenxa yokubamba nje stock sakho usiholde ungasidayisi. Yebo? So ungathi wena mabona ukuthi hawu i-stock sami siku-green mhlambe 2% wena usufuna ukudayisa. No, hold. You must hold. That's the benefit. Ukuthi i-1,000 lakho olifaka 10 years ago libe i-future value yayo imali yakho ibisingaphezulu. More than leli 1,000 olifakile. Way more. I-benefit-ke leyo.
Okay. The one asking about ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded funds. So it's basically companies which invest when listing in invested products. And then ETNs are exchanged traded notes. But let me say this, and please do not misquote me. Do not misquote me, please. Whatever I'm going to say is not financial advice, does not constitute as financial advice. Stay away from ETNs if you can, because the bankers are using reverse splits. They're using reverse splits, meaning that ETNs have a potential of going to zero. And please do not quote me on this. This is not financial advice, does not constitute as one, etc. Yeah, so that's your ETNs. It's notes. And then unit trust. Unit trust is a collection of funds. Basically, it's a venture capital firm. Yeah, but if you check with ETNs, most of them have been delisted. If you go to the new easy equities on the new, if you want ETNs in the American market, it's only one which is remaining. Yeah, bon. So the bankers are using ETNs to short them. There's supposed to be a current investigation into ETNs right now in the American market. So yeah, unit trust, it's a collection of funds. It's a collection of funds, and yeah, where in a venture capital where they invest them. So with unit trust, you can get them under section 12J, right? But you have to read up more on that. So yeah, that's that.
Website.
On the SARS website to find out more about on the benefits of this thing. So I think we're fine. Yeah. Is the user saying something or
user?
If there's nothing, someone can join. I think yeah. If you are new to these things, I think you can research more. If you are really interested, take a course on learning platforms. You can find courses, you can find textbooks into this. And yeah, that's it. Okay, no, that's fine. I think we should be done, Baba. I'm supposed to be doing something. All right, and then the last thing, what's next? People, what companies are you looking at? If you're bleeding money, mention the company. Tell us which company is that.
Yes, company I've got shares kule company nale company, they are not doing well. Why? Sizokwazi ukuphendula kahle lapho ngoba sesine ID. Si-eliminate like imbuzo, uyabo? Sibeni yabo effective njengabantu, even in speech, even in questioning. Zyakhala kumona. Woolworths, you are bleeding.
I have to read up more on Woolworths, but
I'm holding stocks of Woolworths, but for me it was doing great. I haven't checked my stocks in a while. Should bleed manje, it's an opportunity for me to buy more.
Yeah, retail is not too good, but yeah. I'll read up on that. Telcom financial things are not even meeting their financial targets. Their service is poor. They're not meeting their markets, and the acquisition deal, MTN was supposed to buy it. It did not go well. Rain was supposed to merge with it. It did not go well. So that is why your share price is currently affected. Purple Group is using money for more business ventures. and other things. Be patient with Purple Group. As you can see, they are using more. They have more products. ARC is a time thing. Be patient with ARC. It's a long-term thing. Remember, they haven't yet gotten their foot in the market. I think ARC has Rain and Time Bank under them. Be patient. When they offer more financial products, maybe, and other products, maybe it will do well. But I'll update you on that. Purple Group, ARC, Telkom, Mullets. I can go and read up on that and then see what's happening. But overall, retail is not doing well in South Africa overall. The only retail group doing well is ShopRite. The others are all struggling. It's about to, because Telkom is calling MTN back, and MTN said the only time they'll talk to Telkom is if no one else is making an offer. So Telkom must reject all offers. Renegen, which one is that one? Let me see. Renegen, what do they do? Huh? Hello.
Mondli. Hi, Nox.
Hi.
Welcome. Hi.
Njani?
Siyaphila, mama, right?
Ngirathi mina ngicela ukubuza bandla kunini nolwazi njengoba kuthiwa u-JSE wehlile yonke into ishona down nje i-red. Isikhathi esi-right sokuthenga manje?
Isikhathi esi-right thenga, kodwa kubalulekile ukuthi nakhona uqale ubheke ikhampani, ungavele nje ukuthi ngoba nakho hayi i-red bese uyathenga ngoba fanele wazi mhlawumbe izo-recover, ingeke izi-recover, yabona. Ila sesizongena khona kuma-analysis. Ebalulekile i-analysis ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi wenze i-decision e-informed. Ungavele nje uthenge ngoba nakho kuyableeda, yabo, ngoba bakhona amakhampani anga-recover.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yikho-ke lokho kufanele ukuthi siyakwazi lokho. Angithi niyazi ukuthi kuney'kandali ngo-president wase-South Africa.
Yes.
Oku-affecta zonke izinto ezenzakalayo ngezomnotho la ezweni, nabantu aba-investayo abasenako ukuthemba ukuthi hey, masifake imali la izokwazi ukuthi babe ne-return, yebo. So-ke fanele emva kulokho sibheke ukuthi yebo ziyantengantenga ezey'mali, kodwa banayo yini i-potential ukuthi baphinde babuye futhi, uyabona.
Okay, ukuthi then akusona isikhathi esi-right sokuthenga.
Yeah.
No. It depends. You have to look ukuthi kwenzakalani. Why did the market drop? Why did the market drop?
Yes.
That's very important to understand. And then once you understand that, you analyze the company and its potential and the investments, the financials, and listen to if there are any potential of any fraud. Because look at Steinhoff, ever since it went down, it was because of a fraud internally, so it will not recover. So not everything that drops is a good investment, but some Sasol dropped from 300 rands in 2020 to 21 rands, but it picked up its back to trading around that amount. So yeah. I don't know if you heard me.
Thank you, Shares. Thank you. Yes.
It's important for this disclaimer.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. RMH. Which one is RMH, Mahlatsi? RMH. If you're talking about Rand Merchants Bank Holdings, then you have to understand financial products. Why? Because share price will drop because their investments are failing elsewhere. If it's a bank, that is why when we look at banks, we do not look at the PE ratio, but the PB ratio. On companies with production, we look at the PE ratio, but on companies with financial products, typically we look at the PB ratio, which is the price to book. What do they have in their books? The book value. So, yeah.
Nomvula.
Owns Mall of Africa. Okay, I'll have to look into that. If we're talking about RMH, Rents and Merchants, and is it a development or a bank? What's happening?
RMH. No, RMB.
ARB.
Kwakwenzakaleni Nomvula? Wathola ukuthi yindaba ama-shares akho aka-ARB wathengile wavuka engasekho? Did you find out why? Wafunda kwincwadi abakuthumela yona ngoba phela njenge-shareholder fanele ngabe bakwazisa lokho. Wafunda yini ukuthi bekwenzakaleni ukuze ungazuyenza futhi leyo mistake yokuthenga enkampanini enjalo? Wabona? Usema user uthule nje akasho lutho. Type-ke ngcono user, mhlawumbe unenkinga ye-speaker. Awuboneka kwa-email, hayi ayikho leyo nto, hayi ayikho leyo nto. Wathi mhlawumbe awunakisisanga. Yabo mina i-advice engiye ngithanda ukuyinikeza umuntu, angithi uyabazi o-Gmail bethu banama-spam angakanani. U-Gmail wakho wawu-create-a mhlambe kudala usenza izinto zakho usafunda i-email. Yiwona namanje osamsebenzisa kuze kube manje i-most yabantu. Manje iba ne-email yakho yaziyo ukuthi eyento zakhe ey'balulekile. Ngoba le enye uzuba ube ne-inbox mhlambe uye ko-3000, awuyivuli nokuyivula ngoba vele uyabona ukuthi ugame ubani abakusendelayo, like wonke lama-spam emails. Iba ne-email yakho waziyo ukuthi uma ungena khona intentional ngokungena kuleyo email. Ungena kuyo ngoba uyazi ukuthi kuney'nto zakhe ey'balulekile lapho. Awuyisebenzisi for yonke lo vucuvucu esiwenzayo thina abantu besifazane ukuthi uyongena konke-ke iy'peshali, uyahamba Mr Price, bani, yonke into yakho nje la kule email. Iba ne-email e-separate owaziyo ukuthi le email yento zakhe ey'balulekile, like your investments, your equities nje details. Shintsha email yakho uyifake, wenze email owaziyo ukuthi uma ungena kuleyo email u-intentional ngayo yonke into oyenzayo, u-alert uma ungena kuleyo email ngoba uzobona i-information efuna ukuthi usebenzise ingqondo yakho focus. Yebo? I-separate ngoba isikhathi esiningi mhlawumbe sothi hhayi ukuthi abakusendelanga i-communication mhlambe yavele yalahleka nje kulama-email amaningi onawo aphithizelayo, akwenza ukuthi uze ucobeke ngisho ukuyivula i-email yakho ngoba usuyazi ukuthi uzuyibheka ngoba mhlawumbe ufuna ukukhumbula i-password ngoba ubheke leyo email, hhayi ukuzoyivula ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa ma kufanele ungene nje uyobheka ama-emails, angazi mhlawumbe mina mhlawumbe owenzeka kanjalo. Hhayi mina ngiyacobeka. Kona ngiye ngithi nginikeze isikhathi ngi-block-e yonke enye into yake yaba khona, kodwa hhayi ayisebenzi. Hi Montsegazi, unjani?
Okay, Montreal. But someone is asking about Alice. Alice used to provide communication network, satellite aerials. now we are more digital, so we're no longer into that, but they're doing backup power now. They're moving into energy. So possibly it's up to you on that one. User 209. Okay. Can Mahlatsi Mabuyana join? Is it possible for Mahlatsi Mabuyana to join?
Oh, okay. Yes. Let me see if I can add her.
Alice could be a good target, but it's up to you. Some things. I think we should pin this comment.
Request Mahlatsi. No, angikwazi ukumthola.
Okay. Do you note this is not financial advice, does not constitute as financial advice? Please contact a registered financial advisor for financial advice. Just speaking of what we see and do, and do not take it as any advice of any sort.
Yeah, ngingakwazi ngoba-ke manje uvale isikhala ngempela.
Hi, user. Hawune.
Izithule nje nkosami akasho lutho. Akanasithombe nje.
Akenzi lutho nkosi yami uyuthi.
Take us, please join, man. Hawune, how are you?
Nkosi yami uyuze uyabuya futhi uyuza eyithulele. Ngithanda uhleke lakho sho like naye. User.
So uNampeg usekhona leyo nkampani uNampeg. Oh gosh.
Ikhona.
uNampeg uyidila nani folks? Namaphepha.
Nompakishe ama-container.
Oh.
I'm not sure. Kumba Iron Ore. Last time I checked, their order book was reduced because China was no longer buying a lot. But on my side, it's performing well. So I'm not sure. And it's up to you. But China was reducing the order book because of internal politics in China. But we'll see. Their government is now reducing the lockdown restrictions in China right now. So hopefully their sectors and industries will pick up. User. Next.
Next user, Shem.
What does NAMPAC do, guys?
NAMPAC, they used to deal with plastic packaging.
Well, what's their investments?
No, uNampeg kwakuyinkampani. Yebo uNampeg nkosami ula eThekwini eMeya Bank uNampeg. Ula eThekwini eMeya Bank. Yikho ngibuza ukuthi usekhona. Kwakuyinkampani edila namaplastiki uqinisile uMaZulu. Kwakuyinkampani edila namaplastiki. Okupakisha in fact ema-wholesale. Yes. Angazi-ke ngoba sekuba khona amaningi nje manje ukuthi isa-exista yini. Angaze ngize ngiyibone even kwi-equites angaze ngiyibone shame. Oh, bye-bye.
Othanda udinwa ngayo usuthi awumkhipha. Nangu uyuze ubuyile, guys.
User.
It is. It seems like Nampac lost about 2 billion, 30% of their thing,
Yeah, but
and
okay.
then
Oh.
they're looking 30%.
But
Then they're looking for 2 billion from shareholders. So now my
Oh.
worry is that they're looking for 2 billion from shareholders. Now my worry is that plastics, there's a ban or a fight against plastics. So if you wanna look into Nampac, go and read the presentation. You know how to. I think we spoke about it, on how to find and see what are they invested in. Because if they're solely or based on plastics, then they're going to suffer. Look at Woolworths. It's saying come with a bag or a paper
Yes.
bag, or everyone is moving away from plastics because of pollution, climate, what, and then so on. That's what I wanted from you guys. Okay, thanks. I know, but I know little about the company. Sorry.
I'm just reading up on Nampac. Besides plastic, they manufacture cans as well.
Okay. Do they have a plan of diversifying out of plastics? De-investing in plastics?
Nothing on that kule article. Kodwa, yeah.
Because it's important. This is why it's important to always, even if you're holding long term, read up on the company. What are they doing?
Okay.
What happened today with banks?
Active ngayo aka-participate aka-type like understanding ngeke ngisam-accept-ke manje.
What happened today with bank? Dropped 5%. The Pala saga and that. It's affecting investor confidence. So they're dropping other shares, they're moving in other things. We are heading to clean energy, and will they survive in long term? Who will survive, Mr. Montegas? Nampac. I'm not sure. That's why I'm saying. That's why I'm saying we have to read up on that individually. Because look, I won't know a lot of things. I move in my comfort zone. I move in mining, a bit of retail, and some financial products. WMN.
Okay, can you please touch?
Touch on finding on the company website. Every company, they have financial reports, especially the listed ones. They have financial reports, audits, shareholder presentations, and they have annual general meetings. So you can read up on that. Some they be careful because some they lie on their presentations and reports just to get more shareholders.
They do that?
Yeah, fraud in the financial market is fraud. Even the biggest banks are notorious for fraud.
It's like abazotweeta kahle so that ba any trust yakho ku-tweet.
Yeah.
So
this is one of the
important.
It's hard to pick up fraud, but that's why you have to look at the financials. If they're not making sense, don't go in.
Okay.
Is he not asking? Yeah, what the company deals with, you can find it on the website. Yes. On the company's website, they'll tell you to know we are a retailer. No, we're this. No, we're that.
Even maungena nje on easy equities and you're browsing through ama companies, you can click on a company, they will tell you about the company, like basic stuff about the company. What is it? Is it covering? What areas is it providing ama services or ama products or like the general overview of the company? Uyakwazi ukuyibona ku-easy equities. Like if ngihamba manje ngiklikha Nampac ngiklikhe khona bazongibhalela like a write up ukuthi uNampac uyilokhu basebenza kulezi indawo benza bakhavarisha lokhu nalokhu nalokhu bakuchaza konke lokho-ke, hhayi kodwa phela ama-details ama-financials nje basic overview yekhampani.
Montegas, with African Bank, they have to cover some basics before they can list. But we'll discuss that in that group. I'll share more with you what they need to cover. Then the last thing was there. Okay, and please, when you invest in something you understand. Let me give you an example. You can't go and buy coal without knowing what coal does. A company which deals with coal, without knowing what coal is used for, at least have an idea about, because many people will go and buy coal companies, and then when the news of diversifying out of coal into clean energy hits, their shares plunder, and they don't know why. Yeah, but if you buy gold, you know that it's used for jewelry and electrical components, then you know that, okay, at least it's a bit sustainable, especially for long-term goals. So you don't have to know everything about anything. You don't have to know everything about everything. No, you just know what's in your comfort zone. If you're in retail, you look at, okay, what's booming in retail, what people love. It's something you understand. That every season people want to buy new clothes. Then it's something you understand.
Njengewayini nje.
Yeah.
Ngiyiphuza nje kufuneke ngiyabo. Izazi ukuthi ngiyaphi.
Fanele uzazi ukuthi udistel uyam-owna.
Uyabona nje udistel ngiyam-owna ngoba nje hayi every week iwayini nje amabhodlela kufanele ahlale esitokhekile. Kwavuleka isikhala ekhabetheni kufuneka kufakiwe elinye. Akuthi uthi iwayini uma unalo uyaliphuza lot. Amanye awokupheka phela guys.
Okay.
Khona amanye akowimpilo nje kufuneka ukuthi ushaye half a glass before ulale. Futhi khona uma uthi kakhulu, not ukuthi uphuzela ukuthi uyadakwa, no.
And that's the knowledge which people need to know, ukuthi, okay, since you understand that, okay, you can cook with wine, then you know the market is not only limited to drinking. So that's why.
Yes.
You need to know about whatever you're investing in. Many people want to go with hype, and when the shares are doing bad, you go come.
Nge-red bed la sikhuluma ngo-red wine noma peanut tart or something. Hayi nge-rain bed, i-rain dance.
Hayi angiyazi ngisho kuyazi-ke leyo. Yazi sengisho ukuthi i-taste yayo. Yazi i-rain dance ingikhumbuza i-overmeer. Sakhula thina siphuza ama-overmeer. So ngiyabona ukuthi-ke i-rain dance i-overmeer yamanje. Because iyona cheapest wine ekhona manje engibona ukuthi hayi imarket yakhona hayi iyahamba ngempela shini.
Ngoba mina ngisebenza kwa-education, which shares I should look for. Nomvula wenzani ka-education? Nami ngikhona. Angikholwa ukuthi ungabheka ama-shares aka-education kanjalo.
Hey, kanjani?
Foxtrot. Oh, Kuro. Okay, Kuro. Okay, yeah. True, Kuro.
Hi, TikToker.
Whatever. I say do not financial advice. Okay, Foxtrot. Cool. British American Tobacco bewakhokha ama-dividends. Lokho engisakubonile ngayo for now. Nothing in detail. Ngisabone lapho. Green energy is very scarce. News only produce less than 15% in green energy. Coal is still in demand.
You need green energy. Fox.
Okay, angithi like uyabona manje ukuthi njengoba angithi uyabona manje ama-source e-energy ukuthi maningi kanjani. Khona wenabo
Mm.
solar, wenabo ma-wind,
Oh, okay.
yabo? Yeah. So it's like uma ngabe kuthiwa we are going green, like iy'tolo zithi azisasebenzisa oplastiki ngoba bazama ukuthi basave i-energy, yabo?
Mm,
Or
mm,
bazama-save
mm.
umhlaba, i-pollution kanjalo kanjalo. So even i-energy kanjalo kanjalo bazama uku-move away from i-coal ngoba i-coal i-damage umhlaba, into enjalo yabo. Bazama ukwenza izinto ey'phucukile kodwa ezingeke zisebenzele.
Mhm.
Mhm. Uyayibona nje bangaka abantu abafika ka-Woolworths ba-afford-e lesa sikhwama sakhona lesiya ngoba abasenawo oplastiki abayishumi.
Eh. Hayi kodwa ngiyacathi uma ungena ku-Woolworths vese uzosi-afford-a lesikhwama ngase ngingaba ney'ngaki la ngisikhohlwe. Sho
Yeah.
senginqwaba.
Kodwa phela ngithi uyasi-afford-a phela wena.
Yes.
So yikho sikhohlwa ngoba uyasi-afford-a esinye angithi.
Yes.
Mhm. So it's not a problem for you. Like green energy izoba affordable kubantu abangakanani.
Oh, okay, okay. I do understand. Oh, this girl.
Mhm. Ikhona nje I think distribution hub yabo la, like emva kwendlu yami, 2 kilometers away. Mangijoga nje
Hawu.
ngiyayidlula ngisho ngithi hawu nazi into zezimadoda. Hey, ama-shareholder la.
Hey. Ah.
You're welcome. Una other guest over service. This was the other guest over diversified. Mike Delta. If mhlambe ukhuluma ngami ukuthi I over diversify i-portfolio yami lebo uyibona la kuma-video wami, ngachaza ukuthi ukuqala kwami ngithenga ama-shares, ngathenga ngoba ngina 2 years ngi-invest kwa-easy equities. So ukuqala kwami bengenza no 4 trucks. Okay, but mhlambe to give you context nami, not wonke ama-shares wami ngangiwa-choose because ngavele nje ngabangena kwi-analysis cha. Ngangiwa-choose nami ngo-copy trading, ngikhopisha komunye umuntu, umuntu athi okay asithengele lama-shares. Okay, nami ngilalela ngifunda kubantu abazi kangcono ngihambe ngiyothenga. Yabo, kanjalo kanjalo. Not that I had analyzed noma ngiya-understand-a ngenhlanhla yami-ke i-most yabo-ke, not ukuthi futhi nakhona hhayi ukuthi ama-overperformer nje ama-shares nje ukuthi I'm on greed, but there's really not that much progress, honestly. Angifuni ngiqamba amanga. But-ke ngiyazi-ke ukuthi vele uku-investor is not short term, it's long term. If ubuka 2 years ngi-investor, nakhona mangithi 2 years ngoba ngaqala ngo-50 rand, nakhona ukuthenga ama-shares mhlambe namanje ngisathenga na-last month naleya nyanga like inyanga nenyanga, so you can't really say ku-2 years kanjalo, like ine-spread yokuthi yabo mane ngi-add-a, so i-entry yami iyahlukahlukana ukuthi ngingeneni kuleyo share, kuleyo company ngabe i-shareholder khona, so i-spread. He has a video on his share performance. But ucabanga ukuthi u-over diversifyile, why ucabanga kanjalo? Kanti wena Mike Delta awu-invest kwi-company ngoba nakho ubona ukuthi ine-potential and you wanna benefit somehow kuyona? Ngoba phela iy'nkampani yningi, myeke nje u-top 40. He has many companies. How many companies should one hold? There's JSE top 40 and how many others? I do get your point, but wena ucabanga ukuthi how many companies should umuntu hold? One per industry. How do you know the best one? Like, do you leave any opportunity of company on the same industry because usunayo enye kuleyo industry? Angikholelwa mina ukuthi kufanele si-treat kanjalo. Yes, ngiya-understand ukuthi focus over diversification, yeah, but I can't say ukuthi ku-retail ngakhetha u-Woolworths last year, but ngeke ngize ngithenge Shoprite because I already have Woolworths. Uyayibona into engishoyo? There's a lot to choose from, yeah. Few, but he seems to know his stuff most. His shares are in mining and finance and he's winning. Yeah, he does know his stuff. It's like he's doing a lot of analysis. He's focusing a lot on financials. He's very brilliant, Gelab. Very, very brilliant. Singahlali kakhulu uma ngabe mhlawumbe ungekho omunye umbuzo asikhululekeni, but do something, at least do something.
Okay, sisi avula nini ama-shares avala nini? Khona bezokwazi nalaba abanye.
9:05 to 10:05 ntambama.
Ama-weekend awavulile.
No, Monday to Friday. If usuthenga emazweni angaphandle like easy equities, US dollar, bavulile manje ebusuku, iy'khathi zakhona angizazi-ke ngekhanda. Ngazi zeza la eSouth Africa.
Okay.
Does he make losses because his share performance is high? Ngicabanga ukuthi njengomuntu onesipiliyoni Mike, mhlambe sengaba ukuthi izinto ezi-beyond i-control yakhe naye, kodwa ngokwe-analysis ngokukhetha kwakhe nami ngibone wina futhi kakhulu, and ngiyajabula ukuthi ngithola ukuthi ngazane naye nabo bonke abantu abala abangifundisayo usuku nosuku. Khona into engiyifundayo engiyicoshayo, yabo, ngibona oMontegas, oThami Hotel, nje iningi izinto engiyifundayo. Ngiyabona nje mina la njengoba sikhuluma la ku-live, ngiyaphuma la ngihlala ku-computer, ngiyafunda noma ngingena la efonini yami, ngiyayifamiliarize ngawo wonke lama-companies. Yebo phela izinto ngeke vele zihlale ekhanda, ziningi izinto oyifundayo ngama-shares ngama-companies everyday. Kodwa nje angifuni ukuthi uma ngiphuma kwi-live, hayi ngithabiseni, u-Standard Bank unawo yini izi-equities? Cha. Amabhenki ano izi-equities u-Capitec no-Discovery. U-Discovery Bank nakhona uma uno-Discovery kusho ukuthi uzovele uthenge nje kanjalo. Angikaze ngize ngi-navigate, nginawo u-Discovery kodwa angikaze ngi-navigate because angikho interested ukuthenga i-account yami yakwa-Discovery ama-shares, angikho interested. Interested la ngo-Capitec.
Capitec.
No, not ukuthi ngithanda u-Capitec, mhlawumbe ngoba sengijwayele yena, hhayi kahle kahle ngoba nakho ngimthanda. Cha, u-Capitec hayi, no.
Nanokuthi imali mhlambe ika-Capitec eningi ongakwazi ukuthenga ngayo.
No, yazi ukuthi yindaba isikhathi esiningi angithi njengoba ngidayisa nje uthola ukuthi abantu abaningi basebenzisa u-Capitec, so yikho ngine-account yakwa-Capitec kahle kahle ukuze uyabo umuntu alokhu akubuza unawo u-Capitec. Yes, kuba lula ukuthi umuntu
khona ku-right.
Ngoba uma ngizomchazela ukuthi hhayi faka ka-Time Bank, uthi hayi bo ufaka kanjani imali ya-Time Bank? Ya, kona i-bank eli-cheap lelo. Yeah, but i-process.
U-Time Bank ngisanenkinga yo-Time Bank ukuthi umuntu uma efake khona ikhodi uyithola kanjani? umuntu uma
Okay, so
ezokudeposithela.
mhlawumbe mina ngifuna ukukufakela imali wena kwi-account yakho. Mina mhlawumbe ngifuna ukukhokha njengoba njengoba ngidayisa nje wena usuthi usufuna ukukhokha kwi-account yami. Mina fanele ngingene kwi-app yami ngi-generate i-time code. Le time code wena uzoyinikeza mina ngizokusendela le time code mhlawumbe nge-screenshot mhlawumbe kuba I think kuba ama-6 digits. Mase usufika wena kwi-ATM uzosho ukuthi nayi i-time code, nayi imali engizoyifaka. So ngesikhathi mina ngi-generate i-time code ngifaka ne-amount ozoyifaka. So fanele ngazi ukuthi uzongifakela u-500, ngi-generate i-time code ya-500. Iya-expire in 30 minutes. So fanele ukuthi uma uyofakela umuntu ka-Time Bank ebese lapho akazoyifaka khona imali. Otherwise ofanele uphinde
Oh,
umu-generate i-time code.
oh, uya kephi ku-Time Bank ukuze ugenerate i-time code?
Ungena kwi-app ungene lapha phezulu engizoku-check-ela ngoba nami angisekho sure. Ngisengike ngayi-generator kodwa akuyona into engijwayele ukuyenza ngoba kungcono
Umuntu
uma
ngesikhathi sesitolo let's say ka-Pick n Pay noma ka-Boxer uyakutshela ukuthi sengisethilini-ke manje.
ya
Ngicela
noma
ungiphe i-code.
sekuthilini bese uyam-generate-ela-ke i-time code.
Oh, okay.
Kuze kube lula mhlawumbe uma ukuthi usendele umuntu onayo uno-Time Bank ngoba usenda ngenamba yakho nje ingene kwi-account yakho, but uma uzofaka u-cash ya udinga i-time code.
Oh, okay. Base but is used with a pinch of salt.
U-Standard Bank unawo yini iz-equities? Akanawo mama iz-equities in Thapseng. Kodwa uyakwazi ukudiphozitha imali. Let's say wena ufuna ukufaka imali yakho, kusho ukuthi wena uzoba ne-app yaka-equities efonini yakho noma uloge in kwi-PC. Then uma uloga in ungena ukwazi ukudiphozitha, but unga-check-a nale video kulwazi ngesiZulu ku-YouTube ukubona ukuthi ungayidiphozitha kanjani imali ngoba kune-account yakhona bazokunika i-account. So wena from u-Standard Bank wakho uzo-transfer imali kuleyo account yaka-equities yaka-Standard Bank ngoba banama-account ahlukahlukene for amabhenki namabhenki, benzela ukuthi imali isheshe reflect esayidini labo izokwazi ukungena i-reflect kwi-app yakho bese uyakwazi ukuthenga kama-shares. Yebo, Simple Wall Street siyafunda kakhulu Veronica, uqinisile. Simple Wall Street ufaka nje igama lekhampani vele yonke into bakutshele bayaveza nanokuthi ama-ratio i-green i-red, uyazi ku-green ukuthi right, u-red kunjani. Okubalulekile ukuthi kufanele wazi ukuthi okay le ratio mayinje kusho ukuthini. Njengomuntu osafunda avuyile ngathi uthenge yiphi inkampani, ngingathi thenge uPepco. Ngingathi thenge uPepco avuyile, yazi ngobani uPepco uyamazi futhi uyi-stock nokuthembisayo ngokwe-analysis. uPepco.
Oh, Pepco.
Pepco Group laba bakwa-Pep abano-Pep
Oh,
stores.
okay.
Yes. Ngingathi avuyile thenga uPepco. Kodwa-ke uze wazi ukuthi angiyena umeluleki wezezimali. Ngiyakunika nje njengomngani wami oka-TikTok. It's subscription based, but use it with a pinch of salt. Okay. Yeah, sibuka ama-financials, sikunika ama-ratio. Thank you, Shares. Thank you very much, Mrs. Clean. Asilaleni ngane zakwethu. Namhlanje namhlanje bengifunda kodwa kuthiwe njengabantu sino 24 hours of which 8 hours wokulala. Maungalali lo 8 hours, the law of necessity izoncuzula yona kulesi sikhathi sakho wena njengoba ufanele ulale. Law of necessity izokwenza ukuthi ube sembedeni ufudumale ulale wenze lento ofanele ngabe uyayenza, be it through ukugula. So thina sicabanga ukuthi siyagula ngoba nakho isizini ngoba nakho kwasho kacema, kanti awubhekile ukuthi i-law of necessity le ukuthi kufanele ngabe ulele. Fana nabantu, umuntu uthola ukuthi uzophuza utshwala ebusuku bese bakwi-car accident, ahamba ayolala embhedeni, not ukuthi alimale abe nama-injury, ahamba alimale ayolala esibhedlela. I-law of necessity ngoba you should have been sleeping ngaleso sikhathi when ibhizi uyagalaventa outside, even when it's drunk, but so i-law of necessity izokwenza ukuthi ube sesibhedlela ulale when you should have been in your home, sleeping in bed, in your own bed, relaxing. Hayibo, ngalakhila-ke yami into yaronke manje. Struggle sulokho kuma-account wabantwana. Usuwavulile yini Samsung? Uhlulekaphi? Wangifonela kusasa emini khona ngizozama ukusiza. Sasa ngizobe ngisebenza from home, hopefully yangindawo. Bese
Nivala nini egoli esikoleni?
Sivala, mina ngisebenza from home anyway, sekodwa nje abanye amakholega ami avala ngomhla ka-15.
Oh. Wena usebenza eMarking?
Angena uthisha mina.
Oh, okay, admin.
No. Kodwa umsebenzi wami ungisebenzisa no Department of Basic Education, kodwa ama-social workers aka-early childhood development. So abantu bama-crash njengoba social development before.
Oh, okay.
Bama-grade abaza kwa-Department of Basic Education. So yeah, mina ngiyabasiza-ke nge-campaign ebizwa ngeVangasali, which is a national campaign. Yeah, iyalonjwa basakwa-DSD, manje sikwa-DBE. So yeah, mina ngenza izinto ze-policy and systems change for government. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ngenza ukuthi asilaleni-ke manje. Kusasa sizokhuluma ngani? Kusasa uLwesihlanu noma niyo-invest emashezini akade-Stella?
Oh, Ghost. Angithi noma kade u-investile kuleyo nkampani uyakwazi futhi uphinde u-invest.
Cishe ngakhohlwa, kusasa ngiyatravela, kushuthi angizuba live kusasa. I'm traveling to KZN tomorrow to Durban.
Uyakephi KZN?
Ngizobe ngizofikele eHammersdale.
Yeah.
Ngizofikele eHammersdale, then ngo-Saturday ngizobe ngisedolobheni eThekwini. Ngihambisile i-product yami lapha ku-151 Victoria.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then mhlambe ngihlangane nama-entrepreneurs for i-stock sabo. Then Sunday into engiyehlele i-baby shower yami nganami uXoliswa, Dr. Xoliswa.
Wow.
Yeah, so une-baby shower on Sunday, sizobe sise-Hillcrest. So bese ngiyabuya.
Bangaki nehlayo?
Kwehla mina nje nengane yami. I think ngizoyishiya ekhaya.
Oh, okay.
Can I have your numbers? Yeah, you can have my numbers. But you can join the group as well. A group I am. Can have my numbers. So. Usung WhatsApp yeza user sizo nje like uvele uhlale straight endabeni yabo, ungasho ukuthi hi yabo. Yeah, ungasho ukuthi hi ngoba angizokuthatha as being rude, cha, ngizokuthatha nje ngokuba efficient, save isikhathi ukuze yabo usheshe sisizane, kakhulukazi ngoba ne-weekend yami kuye ngathi izoba busy kakhulu. Kube nje uhlale endabeni noma ngisende voice note noma yini. Good night, Nazareth. Bye bye, Nox.
Good night.
Thank you.
Bye bye, sis. Bye bye. Ungakhohlwa ukungenzela loo nto manje.
Khululeka ngizohlala kuyo manje ifoni.
Okay.
Manje nje
Thanks, ngiyabonga.
ngicela futhi nawe ukuthi i-check manje ukuthi ma uyi-check i-keyword yakho lapha emlazi ukuthi iyavela yini.
Okay, sis. Okay, thanks.
Okay. Alright, papa yini. Good night yini bazalwane. Ungakhohlwa uku-investa, okay? Ningayibox yonke imali. Ungayispend imali yakho la unga-investanga khona. La ungayona Fox Trucks uyabuya manje thina siyahamba. Mangabe uyothenga, think about lawo onama-shares khona. Ungahambi uyophosa imali yakho nje. Okay, cool. Bye guys.